I was all Black history in college. And I got to a point where I was like, why do I keep starting with the worst part? You understand, like, what we did to even come from this is amazing in itself. But what we did before then is even greater. And my whole mindset now is, I'm not trying to progress. There's nothing to progress. I already see myself great. I'm just trying to get back to that point. And I'm trying to teach y'all the same thing. You feel what I'm saying? Like, progress means that I started from a position where I was permanently in the negative, in the red, right? Like I was supposed to be this way. No, that's me. This is what I was forced to do, but I rise every time. So to my African Americans here, I would say embrace yourself. Start to think about or research what happened before this. But to the young lady in the back, they might not get it till later, unfortunately, but keep being that shining star for them to see. Don't take, and again, don't take it personal. Please don't take it personal.